Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are all well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create new channel on YouTube account. So for creating a YouTube channel, first of all, create a new email on which you want to create a YouTube channel. So first of all, please subscribe my channel and like and click on bell icon. So first of all, go to your Gmail in your Android mobile and click to here upper side and click on add another account. When you click on another account, it's appear many types of accounts. Now click Google account. Scan it. Wait for a second. Okay, now here if you have your Gmail account, then place the Gmail account on it and login, then create a new account. If you don't have, then click on create account. For myself, here type your name and click on next button. Here select your birth date. Okay, and select your gender and click next button. Here this is here your Gmail account, what you want. I am creating my name like at gmail.com. Click on next button and here type your password. Here type your password and scroll down, add your phone number, it's optional, and click on yes I am in. And next, review your account info. Your account is created successfully. Click on the next button. Term and conditions, agree term and conditions, and please wait a second. Now your Gmail account is creating successfully. Here is take just a moment, just left it, and now go to Gmail and I will scroll down. Here the name Khan, I am creating the Gmail, new Gmail. It's appear here. I am selecting my Gmail account. Now my Gmail account is appear. Now I'm go to YouTube in my Android mobile. When you're going to YouTube, select your current Gmail you want to create channel. I am creating a new email. Just wait a minute. Scroll down it and here is my Gmail. I am new create. Select your new Gmail and click on your profile and click on your channel and create your channel. Here update your picture. I don't want yet name Khan. Here select your channel name studio, save, create channel. Click on create channel button. Here friends, this channel does not exist. Okay, here go to your account, click on your channel, please refresh it, click on your channel. It takes some time. This channel is why is doing this. I close the YouTube account if you have any problem with it, and come back to YouTube channel. I think my net is some difficulties, slow, and your channel. Now here is your name studio channel is created successfully. Thank you so much. For the further updates, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.